तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे, मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे, मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे। घर नारी कवारी कहे सो करे, घर नारी कवारी कहे सो करे, मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे, मैं तो पिया।
Hello and welcome to a special edition of Agenda. That of course was the St. Stephen's Band, and the reason why we are here in the lawns of this elite college is because it has witnessed a sort of history over the past weekend. Over the past weekend it has seen first time a students union president, that's Rohit Yadav, who's been elected for the first time from a Hindi background, and it's been written about a lot. So on Agenda today, we'll be talking about what that move really signifies, and to really help us with that, we have two old Stephanians. We have Arun Maira, who went to the college in the 60s and is a former planning commission member, and also we have Karuna Nandi, who went to St. Stephen's in the 90s, and she joins us as well. She's a Supreme Court lawyer. But first, of course, the story is about Rohit Yadav, who's here with us now. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
What did you make of the fact that so much has been written about, so much attention that you're all over front pages as having made some kind of history?
फर्स्ट थिंग्स कि मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि जब मैं कॉलेज में मेरे को एडमिशन मिला था तो मैं प्रिंसिपल सर के पास एक ही चीज़ को लेकर परेशान था कि मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आता है, तो मैं क्लास मैनेज कैसे करूँगा। पर प्रिंसिपल सर से मेरे को एक सीख मिला था। सर ने बोला था कि जिस दिन आप क्लास में बैठोगे,
शंपू सर ही थे उस समय।
यस।
ओके।
तो जब मेरे को प्रिंसिपल सर ने वो बात बोला कि नहीं, आप एक हफ्ते क्लास में बैठे उसके बाद मेरे से मिलिए तो शायद आपको चेंज मिलेगा, और शायद मैंने जब वो एक हफ्ता बिताया उसके बाद मेरे को चेंजेस मिलता गया, और मैंने उस 2 साल में इस चीज़ को प्राप्त किया है कि आज मैं इस मुकाम पे बैठा हूँ। तो शायद कि ये शायद प्रिंसिपल सर और फैकल्टी मेंबर, मेरे स्टाफ एडवाइज़र, HUS स्टाफ एडवाइज़र, और प्लस वो HOD में मेरे BA प्रोग्राम,
आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स,
तो मैं सबको थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए, क्योंकि इन सब के साथ ही मैं यहाँ पे आ पाया हूँ, तो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ थी।
जब वो अखबार में लिखा हुआ आया, मैंने भी अपना सोचा कि मुझे कैसा लगता है। सबने कहा कि इट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कि आप इतने सिंपल बैकग्राउंड से, कि गार्डनर सन यहाँ पे सेंट सिविल, तो वो पढ़ के आपको अजीब सा लगा या प्राउड फील हुआ?
मेरे को ये चीज़ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कि अजीब सा लगा, क्योंकि मैंने अपने फ्रेंडों के बीच में वही मेंटेन रखा था कि जैसे सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वैसे मैं भी अपने आप को समझता था। बस मैंने मेंटेन बनाए रखा। ठीक है, प्रिंसिपल सर चाहते थे कि मैं इन सब चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करूं, तो मैंने किया। और
एंड यू आल्सो वांटेड टू फाइट टू बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सेंट स्टीफन स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन?
या,
you did. And you know what's interesting is that I was speaking to your friends over here. Vaibhav is here, and I didn't know that, which makes this entire debate very appropriate, is that he says that they ran it on the whole platform of anti-elitism. Tell us about that, Vaibhav.
We decided at the earliest that our agenda should be anti-elitist because somewhere ये पहले से ही पता था कि रोहित कुमार यादव अपने फर्स्ट ईयर से ही जिस तरह का काम करते आए हैं, उसकी चीज़ में अगर कहीं कोई चीज़ आड़े आने वाली है जो उन्हें रोकेगी स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन सोसाइटी का प्रेसिडेंट बनने से, तो कहीं ना कहीं यही बात होगी कि उनके क्लास को या उनके लैंग्वेज के बैरियर को लाया जाएगा इस बीच में। और वो चीज़ इश्यूज़ वो आए भी, उठाए भी गए। कहीं एक सर्टन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, एक सर्टन सेक्शन था जिसने इस बात को शायद उठाया भी, but ultimately
they used it against you. They said that he doesn't fit the profile.
Because it won't be appropriate for a person who cannot speak English. वो कैसे कई जगहों पे सेंट स्टीफेंस को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, because he will be the president of students union society, और उसको कई जगह पे रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा, कई सारे फोरा पे। और उस केस में क्या ये एक बैरियर नहीं होगा? क्या उसे किसी और की हेल्प की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी? सो हमारे पास ये बात थी कि अगर वो डिजर्व करता है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज वर्क स्टूडेंट्स यूनियन सोसाइटी प्रेसिडेंट की पोस्ट, तो उस केस में ये छोटी चीजें बैरियर नहीं बननी चाहिए।
Yeah, and what's amazing, of course, that those people were obviously left to the fringe because the person who came second after you, you defeated them by 194 votes, right? हाँ, 194. आपको 400 almost मिले 800 votes में से.
373.
373. So Arun Maira, you were here. You heard this amazing story, and Karuna as well. First, Arun Maira, how is it? Is it really what many people are saying? Should we read this as an end of elitism?
You know, I want to congratulate Rohit.
Thank you, sir.
Really congratulate you and your colleagues who helped to get you to win because of an idea. This college, St. Stephen's College, it had great people as principal, like Principal Rudra and C.F. Andrew, who were friends of Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi used to spend a lot of time with them when they were in the freedom movement. And according to Mahatma Gandhi, India would be free when the non-elite could rule this country. So here in St. Stephen's College, if a non-elite is the president of the St. Stephen's Union, I think Mahatma Gandhi would be very pleased.
Would you say even now when we look at St. Stephen's, it's always, you know, very elitist kind of debates that come up, the whole Manishankar Iyer and, you know, Ajay Markan thing. Do you think of this as a historic kind of landmark?
You know, I think it's fantastic, and I think it is historic because there is a way in which that to become president of the Students' Union in such a, you know, in what is such a difficult institution to get into. So in that sense, it's very much the educational elite as well, right?
Yeah.
If you look at the cutoffs, you know, when I was here, I did economics. The cutoff, you had to get an average of, I think, 81%, was a very long time ago. You had to get an average of 81%. I think now it's what, 90 something?
100% almost.
It's 97 or 98%. So let's not forget
It
that
was
this
elitist,
is
yeah.
all of the people here
Yeah, sure.
are elite,
Yes.
right? And what
In that
St.
sense.
Stephen's does is that it gives you that stamp. Whether you are from an English-speaking background or not, it puts you on a conveyor belt. और आप इस गाड़ी पे अगर बैठ गए, तो इस गाड़ी से उतर के आप कहीं और जाओगे, मतलब IIM जाओगे या तो कैम्ब्रिज जाओगे या ऑक्सफोर्ड जाओगे या किसी बड़ी कंपनी में जाओगे, you know? So in that sense, let's not forget that everyone here is elite.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
The second thing, look, in terms of language, you know, around the time that I was in college,
But more, I was asking the profile.
Ajit Singh was the president.
Okay.
I was there for 3 years, of course. And on 1 year, there was a boy called Ajit Singh who was the president, and he was primarily Hindi speaking. But you know, I think when you look at challenges, मतलब जो आपको face करना पड़ा होगा, बड़े होते हुए, जिस टाइप की ब्रिलियंस और जिस टाइप का कमिटमेंट जो आपको दिखाना पड़ा होगा, वो काफी लोगों को यहाँ नहीं दिखाना पड़ा होगा, you know. So in that sense, it must have been much easier for a lot of the people here. But I will say one thing, you know, Mr. Myra said, talking about his experience of being from a refugee family. When I was in college, we didn't have a women's residence. And it wasn't, there were so many different kinds of discriminations that happened against women. That, you know, there weren't any women's, there was no question of, women would stand from time to time to participate in the election. But how many women's presidents of the Students' Union have you had?
Maya Didi.
She was the...
Yeah.
Okay, so just one that people can...
In the history of St. Stephen's College, think about it.
Yeah, and that's been written about as well. But I think if we bring it back to about Rohit's case and how it is different, as you said, many are talking about the fact, the whole language thing, and you spoke in Hindi, you gave your address in Hindi. तो आपने उसके बारे में, when you gave it first, आपने उसके बारे में सोचा कि अच्छा मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ नया करने जा रहा हूँ जो कि कभी हुआ नहीं, या फिर आपके लिए भाषा हिंदी सबसे ज़्यादा, you're most fluent in हिंदी, तो आपने बोल दिया?
मैं कॉन्फिडेंस में था कि मैं हिंदी में शायद प्रेजेंट करके चला जाऊंगा।
हाँ।
और मेरा पहला मोटिव था कि मैं ओपन कोर्ट करना चाहता था, क्योंकि मैं जब कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर्स में मैं जब आया था और मेरे सीनियर जॉर्ज जोसेफ भैया थे, तो मैंने उनको जब ओपन कोर्ट पे प्रेजेंट करते हुए देखा था, तो मेरे दिल में उसी दिन भावना हो गई थी कि ओपन कोर्ट करना है मेरे को।
तो हिंदी में
करना है, क्योंकि मैं चाहता था कि मेरे को लगता था कि मैं इस चीज़ को सामने फेस कर सकूँगा, उस चीज़ को मैं लेके चला था। और जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे और जो जिनका मेरे को एक बहुत बढ़िया योगदान मिला, उन लोगों के साथ मैंने कभी भी ये पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखा कि ये चीज़ शायद मायने रखती है, मेरे को नहीं लगता था। और मैंने ओपन कोर्ट में शायद अपना बेस्ट दिया था। मेरे फ्रेंड्स बहुत खुश थे, सीनियर मेंबर्स भी काफ़ी खुश थे, और जो फर्स्ट ईयर थे वो शायद बहुत, जब मैं ओपन कोर्ट से बाहर आया तो शायद मैं उनको उतना क्लोज भी नहीं था।
वैसे सेंट स्टीफेंस काफ़ी एलीट माना जाता है, सारे बहुत लोग, हम लोग जो सेंट स्टीफेंस के नहीं हैं एंड वी आर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, हम सोचते हैं यू नो कि जिनके पेरेंट्स बहुत अच्छे अच्छे जाने माने लोग हैं उनके बच्चे यहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं, ये सब माना जाता है। Did you get, आपके दोस्तों ने आपको सपोर्ट किया? Did you get a lot of support from people who weren't from the Hindi background? उनसे भी सपोर्ट मिला आपको?
मेरे को ये कभी एहसास नहीं हुआ था। अब मैं 3rd ईयर में आ गया हूँ, मुझे कभी एहसास नहीं हुआ कि यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े लोग पढ़ते हैं या कोई बड़े फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं। मेरे क्लास में जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं वो सब एक सम्मान मेरे को देखते थे। मैं हमेशा उनके एक साथ बैठ के ही रहता था और कोई छोटी पार्टी हो या बड़ी पार्टी हो, में एक नजरिए से हम लोग साथ में रहते थे।
really good.
बहुत अच्छा एंजॉय करते
आपके
थे।
टीचर यहाँ पे जो कि
Yes, yes, ma'am.
हिंदी फैकल्टी के हेड है, मैम, आई वांट टू आस्क यू बिकॉज एट दिस टाइम everyone's talking about how the students of CSAT, they are fighting as well for getting priority for Hindi. Do you think Rohit's elevation, getting election as the Students' Union President, it marks something for Hindi as a language as well, for Hindi status?
Certainly in this college at least. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि इस कॉलेज में हिंदी रोहित के एक प्रत्याशी होकर जो हिंदी आई है, ये सच में एक अचीवमेंट है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ लोग हिंदी को चाहते नहीं हैं। दे लाइक हिंदी, दे वांट टू स्पीक हिंदी, बट कुछ हेजिटेशन शायद है उनमें, क्योंकि बहुत ऐसे कोई सिर्फ दिल्ली के लोग नहीं हैं या साउथ के नहीं हैं, बहुत ही ऑल ओवर इंडिया से हैं। और रोहित ने जो ये एक एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है, एक उदाहरण सेट किया है, आई मस्ट सेट कि CSAT में ये जो झगड़ा चल रहा है हिंदी को लेकर कि, और अभी आज के न्यूज़पेपर में आपने देखा होगा कि इस सरकार के कहने के बावजूद भी, इतना प्रयास करने के बावजूद भी, they did some translation.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask you, in the hierarchy of various courses over here, does Hindi is much lower down?
Yes, certainly people think, but लोगों का सोचना है, but I don't think so, because मुझे विश्वास है कि everybody likes Hindi, and if we introduce Hindi honors, we can set a very good example in this college. We will get the best student of the country, and I'm sure as Rohit has set history, introducing Hindi honors, we will certainly set a history. So I think मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर जो एक पहले माहौल था, the thinking कि English speaking is very important, और ये it is not. English तो
माहौल था पहले यहाँ पे,
हाँ,
and that's changing, you think?
Changing.
So Arun Mara, would you say, as the language and its development and all, in how it was in Stephens over there, would you have lots of people? What were people in these lawns over here in the 60s? Was it Hindi not spoken that much?
Hardly. There was a lot of English and a lot of Punjabi curses. There was a men's college at the time.
Yeah.
There were no women.
Of course, we
Yes.
forgot about that.
Yes.
Yes.
So there was a lot of bad language in English
Women
and
for 2 or
women
3
speak.
years, and then
No, there was
Joy
not.
Michael.
That was long before. She's
okay.
9-10 years older than me even. Yeah, so the time I was here in the 50s and 60s into the 70s, there was just men here. So if you wanted to go and look at an attractive woman, you had to go out, go to Miranda House, which is the nearest one, and go and find some women. So it's nice to see this change. Mahal badal gaya hai.
And Hindi wasn't anywhere. In the
No,
thing.
there was no
And
Hindi.
Karuna, in your time, were people, was Hindi looked down upon?
People spoke both. There were people who spoke English and there were people who spoke Hindi, but I definitely think that there was something of a social hierarchy.
There was.
In which English was on the top. And also, I think it's fantastic that Rohit has this achievement, and I think there's a way in which it changes the dynamic of the college, even though, we also had Ajit Singh, but however, Rohit's achievement is not just his language, it's also the odds that he has, you have overcome. But two things. One is that I think we have to think about how you shouldn't have to be that brilliant and that committed.
Yeah,
You
sure.
know, it
Yeah.
has to be easier. So it really has to be opened up.
Yeah.
This sort of, yes, the admissions process is so based on these cutoffs, and I'm not sure these exams are really the best way. But anyway, that's a larger discussion. But also, I think that there's a way in which there's been a sort of hegemony of English for a long time. What we have to make sure is that there isn't now, then it's not transplanted by a hegemony of Hindi.
Yeah.
तो एक तरफ से लोग हिंदी भी बोलें और इंग्लिश भी बोलें. इंग्लिश भी एक भारतीय भाषा हो गई है अब. हमारा अपना लिटरेचर है, हमारा अपना नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ज़्यादातर लोग हिंदी नहीं बोलते, इंग्लिश बोलते हैं साउथ में. And there's a way in which it's become the language of law, it's become the language of administration at the higher levels. And also, this is our competitive advantage over China.
Okay.